Hey guys, this is your girl Phoenix Alexander. I have the scarf on because of two reasons. I need to hold my hair back for this, and I'm also recording another video, so I don't really know which one is going to go off first. Well, should I say go on first? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my henna freckles. This is the ink that I got from Jack and B on Amazon. So to do these little freckles, you have two options. If you are a person who is lighter than I am, so if you are one of my Asian sisters, my Caucasian sisters, or one of my Middle Eastern sisters who just happens to be, you know, of a lighter complexion, you're going to want to use the brown. The brown is actually my complexion. So when I use the brown, it doesn't really show up. It kind of just looks like the natural freckles that I already have on here, in which case when I go to do my makeup, they get covered up. So that's why I don't use the brown. So for mine, I actually like to use the black. And the trick to it is that you just have to have a really gentle hand. So the first time you do it, you just kind of, I would say, practice the motions the first time. You have so much product in this bottle. It doesn't look like a lot, but if you're only going to use this for freckles, like, you low-key could probably use this for like a year. A cotton swab. And I'm just gonna go across my nose and the area where I might want to add, you know, my freckles. So we are just going to shape this up, and it comes with a little stopper on the top already, which is fantastic. The good thing about this is that it doesn't stay on a super long time if you don't want it to. So this lasts about 2 or 3 days, and it will lightly fade over those 2 or 3 days. I'm gonna get up close, and this already has like you getting this camera? But yeah, this already has like a fine precision point to it. Ah, there we go. So you see there, I got a little bead going on. Now, typically I do this in my bathroom, so hopefully I don't screw this up while I'm all up in y'all faces. But I like to go at an angle. Now sometimes it comes out a little, it starts to get a little thick on you, so you just want to wipe it off. And once that needle is clean again, you can go back in and get to work and do like you did before, kind of squeeze out a little air until you get a bead. There we go. It's so funny when my boyfriend saw this for the first time, like, I didn't tell him that I was gonna do it or anything. Cute. But yeah, I didn't tell him I was gonna do it or anything. So when he saw me, he was staring. He's like, something about you is making you look so adorable right now, but I can't figure out what it is. And I'm just sitting there like, and then he thought I did them like, you know, for real. He's like, oh, they're so cute, but now they're gonna be there forever. And I'm just like, no, they're not. And then he couldn't tell which ones were my natural freckles versus the added ones that I did on, or the ones that I darkened. So I was like, okay, this is really good. You know, if I can wake up in the morning and he's just like, you're extra cute this morning. Like, oh, I wonder why. So I like to let this sit. Usually it only takes like 10 or 15 minutes for this to dry. If you want to have freckles that are a little lighter and you want to take these off, once it dries, wet a cloth and go ahead and gently wipe away the product. Because what that'll do is it'll naturally kind of take a little bit of the pigment away. Because this black looks so dark against my skin, it kind of looks like I have, you know, the world's largest blackheads right now. I'm going to wipe mine away with a cloth. And when I'm done, you guys will definitely be surprised. Definitely. We're getting real cute for the summer. Okay, guys, so this is so crazy, and I'm so sorry if y'all are watching these two videos back to back, because I'm just literally trying to do a little bit of too much today. Okay, so where we at? Okay, this is a henna video. I was doing a hair video on this hair at the same time, and so I figured it would be a good way to just get everything done, because I needed to do these kind of freckles and I needed to do this hair video. But yeah, so these are freckles now. They are dry. And I would say it's been probably about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm gonna give them another 5 minutes or so, as I'm holding up 10 fingers. I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes, another woman's 5 minutes, which is 10 minutes, but it doesn't matter to you. So as you can see, that leaves my frecks looking very natural looking, and no one would know that they are not mine. Usually I go up a little higher up in here to kind of simulate the look of a bridge, but it was hard to do on camera, so I'm glad they turned out this good on camera. But definitely in my bathroom without me having to do it backwards. They generally look more like this side. I have a few that kind of smudged a little bit over here. But yeah, I love them. I think they look great, and nobody knows that they're not mine. So this is a great $10 hack for any girls looking for freckles, and they definitely last a couple of days. All right, thanks for joining me, guys. Have a good one, and I will catch you next time. Bye.